my dignity, so we'll see how far it gets.
I left that one at home.
Yeah.
I'm going to Mykonos tomorrow, so I need to pack. I've got these packages to sort through. I've got a rough packing list, and what time is it right now? It's 2:25, so I definitely have good amount of time to get this done, but like, I gotta go. I gotta start now. So this video is gonna be what I pack for Greece. I'm also gonna show you my top secret travel hacks. I personally think I'm the best packer I know. I also got some brand new compression packing cubes, not just packing cubes, but compression packing cubes that I am super, super excited about. I know that I'm like the #1 person who says, never pack a bag, like never check a bag. It's 9 days, like I can't fit 9 days into a carry-on. It's just not happening. First, I'm gonna try on outfits and try to assign them to things that we've got planned. And then I'm gonna take photos in everything I pack. This is really like my top secret key. I make a photo album in my camera roll in photos of everything that I'm packing. So it's so easy, 1, to get dressed in the morning, 2, to live out of a suitcase, and 3, to make new outfits, because you can see everything and see how it fits. So you can mix and match right there in your photo album. It's like, I can't understand how people are traveling and not having a photo album. What are you doing? So step 1, we have to style some fits. Are you gonna help me? This is my stylist, Kaya. Kaya, thank you so much for stopping in today. I really appreciate you helping me with my looks for Greece. Like, thank you so much. Boop. Okay, we need to choose a hat. So we gotta go. Let's do the Jacquemus. Not that one, not that one, not that one. We'll do this one, this one, this one. Don't be scared. I just took an everything shower, ready to organize. Shot everything that I'm packing. My color scheme is pretty much whites and blues. This way, anything will match. I already have my outfits selected and photographed, but if by chance I'm in a rush and I just grab a top and a bottom, it will by default match because it's in the approved color scheme. Super excited to use these compression packing cubes, but I did realize just now, what if they work too well and I overstuff it, make it too heavy? But it's still only 8:13. I'd like to be asleep by 10. I'm perfectly on track for that. I think I've been packing since 2. Like, is this how long it's supposed to take?
O pivete é o meu filho. Dá troco e fecha o vidro. Doce Bahia.
What did you guys pack?
It looks like a little mouse.
I packed my dignity, so we'll see how far it gets.
Oh, I left that one at home.
Yeah.
Here's what we packed in our carry-on.
I have packed water, hair clip. Always need a hair clip. A little makeup kit that has my face wash, toothbrush, all the travel necessities, toiletries, headphones.
Cute.
This is where it gets crazy, right? Okay. I have this. Whatever charging device thing you need, I got it.
Wow.
Yeah. Hydra by Lauren Blake. Got a tie to go.
So that's clutch.
I'm wearing white today, so.
Amazing. It's in your carry-on.
Oh, let me show you. First things first, I have my Celestial Swim cut 2 pockets here, laptop, and iPad.
Wow, no case.
Dude, I've been raw dogging it for years. I brought you guys something.
Oh my god, presents?
Pears.
Oh my goodness. That one's so cute.
Wait, of course. Protein bars. Book, 8 Rules of Love, Jay Shetty.
I've been on the same chapter for like 4 months.
Organization flex of the trip. My pills.
And what are the vitamins?
They're different supplements. like B12, B complex, magnesium, iron.
Oh, damn.
Spironolactane for my acne.
Oh my, thank you.
Like, I know that I didn't have to bring 8 pairs of sunglasses, but I did. I brought 8 pairs.
This is what I packed in my carry-on.
This is what Lauren packed.
So I've got my laptop and my laptop case.
And the cutest case ever. This is your laptop case.
Yeah, it's
Wait,
cute.
stop. This is so fucking cute. I wouldn't even wear this
Amazon.
out, honestly.
Oh, I need this.
I've got my AirPods.
These are
All of my cords in here.
Yes, you guys are organized with the cords.
Well, slightly less organized than yours. I've got a Hello Kitty hairbrush,
I did see her promo for
a book, and I've got a journal.
my workout bands.
I've got my sunglasses. Okay, see you guys in Mykonos.
I brought my AirPods.
Yeah, Mykonos. Ciao. Ciao.